Hello, my name is Jim Tyrell and welcome to designfordevelopers.io. When I think about design, there's lowercase d design and an uppercase D design. Lowercase d design is really all about the color, art, layout, fonts that you probably most typically associate with design. But the capital D design is a much bigger, much broader term that encompasses how everything comes together, all the way from those little d design things, but also how does the service come together? How does software get delivered? How does it get consumed by users? Where's the empathy for those end users, right? That is what I think about with a capital D of design. So it most certainly can be the color, features, function, layout, the aesthetic. But at the end of the day, design, a capital D design, is really just all about how something makes you feel, right? You can throw away all that other stuff. And if you generate good emotions for your end users, they will feel so much better about using your product or software that you are delivering to them. One of the things that I love is this, being a software developer, is the art and the science of those two things coming together. And of course, the patterns and methods of software design and delivery. And you know what? Design is the same thing, right? It's the art, science, patterns, and methods also. And by the transitive property, if you bring those things together, development is design and design is software development. So there's three types of software UIs in the world, right? The first one, GUI, right? Graphical user interface. That one certainly is there. The next one, API as a service, right? Most certainly the services we're delivering are user interfaces. They may not have the colors, art, and layout of the lowercase d design, but they most certainly have a feeling that is invoked by the end user or end consumer as they are being consumed or used. And then, of course, you have the API as code, right? The code people are using is most certainly a user interface. There's certainly much thought, tradecraft, and thinking has gone on into it. I like to think of you as my community as the creators and users of the 4Ds, right? Developers, designers, doers, and dreamers. So I think as part of this, or as I think about design, there are 6 foundational elements that are inescapable to this. And if you look on this website, there is the foundation that walks you through these things, right? Affordances and signifiers, right? How do people know what it is they should be doing for the next best action? Behavioral economics infects us all as human beings. It is inescapable. You cannot get rid of it. There are things and biases we all have that are always there, always with us as humans that are creating the software, but also as the humans that are using the software. Keptology, the study of motivating humans to make behavioral change with software. You know, certainly it's been in the news here lately, but that's certainly a part of this. And of course, we have design, right? There's good design, there's bad design, there's no such thing as no design. Experiences, right? Experiences inhabit everything we do every single day. The big model here is the 5 E's. Go check it out. It will change the way in which you view experiences, both that you create, but also how you consume them. And the last one, probably the most important one, if you can give people great feedback, but also remove the friction, toil, and invisible work that infects their day-to-day, you will create a user for life. Design for Developers gives you the freedom to deliver your passion project without revisiting completed work. Please check it out.